To my channel Sequential Biology. In this class we will discuss about origin of important animal groups during different time of geological time scale. And geological time scale is divided into different era and each era contains different period. So we will discuss about origin of important animal groups in different era or different period. Now the first era is Archean era. So in this Archean era, the prokaryotic organisms first appeared, and the prokaryotic organisms appeared about 3500 million years ago. And prokaryotic organisms are those organisms which have no definite nucleus, and also the cellular organelles, definite cellular organelles cannot be found in prokaryotic organism. Actually they are bacteria, so they have evolved about 3500 million years ago during Archean period. But the origin of Earth was 4600 million years ago, or the Earth originated about 4.6 billion years ago. And the next era is Proterozoic era. And in Proterozoic era, the multicellular organism appeared and flourished. So the organisms are usually two types. The total animal kingdom divided into two subkingdoms. The protozoa and metazoa. The protozoa are those organisms which contains single cell, and the metazoa are those organisms whose body is made up of different cell, or they are multicellular. And this multicellular organism first appeared and flourished during Proterozoic era, and eukaryotes appeared about 1500 million years ago, and the oxygen in Earth also evolved during Proterozoic era. And during time of origin of Earth, the Earth was totally anoxygenic, or Earth atmosphere was totally reduced, and only the few reduced gases, that is methane, hydrogen, water vapor. So this type of gases were present during first period of origin of Earth. But later the oxygenic bacteria evolved, and so this will causes adding of oxygen in the atmosphere. So the atmosphere of the Earth become oxygenic during this Proterozoic era. And next era is Paleozoic era. Paleozoic era have important period, the Cambrian, Ordovician, Devonian and the Permian period. And Cambrian period, the earliest vertebrates evolved during Cambrian period, and the trilobites also appeared during this time, and the diversity had seen during this time, so it was popularly known as Cambrian explosion. Actually, earliest vertebrates evolved during Cambrian period of Paleozoic era. Ordovician period, the first primitive fish appeared during Ordovician period of Paleozoic era, and this fish diversified during Devonian period of Paleozoic era, and also early amphibians appeared. So if we study the evolution of animals or the vertebrates, the first fishes appeared and then amphibia. And from amphibia, the reptiles appeared, and from the reptiles, the two lines developed. In one line, the bird, and in another line, mammals were developed. So during Devonian period, the fish diversified, and early amphibians are also appeared during the Devonian period of Paleozoic era. And in Permian period, the widespread extinction of amphibia. Amphibia is a class of vertebrate and which are now in high risk. But during Permian period of Paleozoic era, widespread extinction of amphibia was occurred. And the next era is Mesozoic era, and this is very important. This era is very famous due to origin of reptiles or the diversification of reptiles. And this Mesozoic era is also divided into different period. In Triassic period, first true mammals appeared, and you know from reptiles, mammals and birds were appeared. So in Triassic period, during Mesozoic era, the first true mammals appeared, and in Jurassic period, high reptilian diversity appeared, and the birds also appeared from reptiles, and this Jurassic period is known as Age of Dinosaur. In Cretaceous period, which is also included under Mesozoic era, the extinction of the ancient birds and reptiles occurred. So this is very, very important. And the next era is Cenozoic era, and this is called as Age of Mammals. This is most recent era. And this Cenozoic era is divided into two periods, the Tertiary and the Quaternary. And in Tertiary period, modern orders of mammals evolved. And you know the mammals, class Mammalia contains at least 16 orders. So these modern orders evolved during tertiary period of Cenozoic era, and also during quaternary period of Cenozoic era, extinction of large mammals and birds occurred, and modern humans also appeared during this quaternary period. Then this is a brief history of origin of important animal groups in different period or era of geological time scale, and hope this video will be very helpful to you. And I have highlighted only this portion which are important in examination point of view. So thank you, and that's it.